Table manners. Mastering dining etiquette in English. Hello and welcome, dear learners. Today, we will be diving into the world of dining etiquette in English-speaking cultures, focusing especially on table manners. Understanding this can really elevate your comfort and confidence when dining in these contexts. Let's get started. First off, why are table manners important? Well, table manners are all about showing respect to your host and the other guests, and creating a comfortable dining atmosphere. Good manners can leave a lasting positive impression, whether you are at a dinner party, a business lunch, or even at home. Now, let's dig into the essential table manners everyone should know. 1. Arrival and seating. Arrive on time, and wait to be seated or for the host to begin eating before you start. 2. Napkin etiquette. As soon as you sit, place the napkin on your lap. When you're finished eating, place your napkin neatly on the table, not on your plate. 3. Silverware. Always start with the outermost utensils and work your way in with each new course. 4. Eating. Don't speak with your mouth full, and chew your food quietly. 5. Conversations. Keep them light, positive, and considerate. Different cultures may have different etiquette rules. In English-speaking countries, here are a few specific ones. 1. Tipping. In many English-speaking countries like the USA, it's customary to leave a tip of 15 to 20% for good service at a restaurant. 2. Toast. When someone raises a glass and says, "Cheers," everyone should raise their glasses and lightly clink them together. 3. Tea etiquette. In the UK, afternoon tea is a traditional event, and it comes with its own set of rules. For example, stir your tea gently without making a noise. We've covered a lot today, haven't we? Remember, having good table manners is not just about knowing the rules, it's also about making others feel comfortable and respected. Keep practicing these table manners, and soon you'll be an expert in English dining etiquette. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.